back to my channel. So here I am back with another video. आज की वीडियो में मैं रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ हेयर एक्सटेंशंस जो मैंने बाय की है from the GOTTLICH. So the people who have done highlights previously might have faced the problem like I did. मेरे बहुत ही हेयर फॉल होते थे and it also damaged my hair. So मुझे कुछ ऐसा चाहिए था जो मुझे highlight finish भी दे and does not affect my hair quality. So for that I have came across this beautiful page on Instagram. इनके पास more than 40 shades available है from all the trendy shades like lavender, burgundy, turquoise, caramel brown. They have got all these ranges, not only in single shade but also in double shade and also in curly extensions. तो जिनके curly hairs है वो भी curly extensions buy कर सकते हैं and they also have curly extensions in a lot of color varieties. So let's see how the extensions look like. So firstly I'll be showing the caramel brown double shade and this is how it is. The hairs are synthetic hairs and it gives you a very natural look, the look which I was searching for. So ऊपर से ये है brownish and from downwards it goes a kind of blondish shade. So the shade perfectly fits in and then I also have it in a single shade and this is how it is. But ये मेरे face से थोड़ा सा bright जा रहा था, so I wanted it in double shade, तो मुझे double shade ज़्यादा पसंद आया and the third shade is something I wanted to give it a try and it came out to be looking very beautiful. So let me show you. So this is a turquoise kind of shade. So this is the turquoise kind of shade. ऊपर से peacock bluish shade है and नीचे से turquoise, proper azure turquoise kind of. I just love the quality of this and these are clip-on extensions. That means they are very easy to use. Like all you have to do is just lift the clip and then the second thing is you have to section the hair wherever you want to place it and just place it like this and just lock it and then you are good to go. So this is how it looks like. So after doing that, you have to blend it with your natural hair with the help of your fingers and then you have to comb it with a petaled comb and this is how it is. This is how it turns out to be. I just love it. My hair growth is a bit less, so it covered within 5 streaks. 5 streaks were enough for me. But if you want more than 6 to 7 are enough. So yeah, I have mentioned the links in the description, so guys sure to check it out. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.